Hello, this is Abdullah and I'm from batch 19. And this is my assignment on online clothing shopping, assigned to me as an assignment. And this is how my application structure look like. Here are the files and folders, and this is the repository I'm working on, which will be pushed, which was pushed in the link given by the teacher. And this is how my page starts. So this is the first part of my assignment, and this is how it started. And first task was given me for that was login activity and registration activity that should be presented in the form of fragments. Here I have used two layout system, which is tab layout and view pager. And for that I have used fragments, two fragments. First I created the workspace here. Here we have two fragments, login fragment and register fragments. Using of that we have another adapter where there is a view page adapter, which helps to make the application two layout runs, two activities run side by side, just like this. This is swiping left and swiping this is swiping left and swiping right. By doing that we can easily achieve it enhances the flexibility. And this is the register form where we can register our user. And here is the login form. I have already added my account on this, and let's try going further. I have now input my username, and here is my password. And now I log in. This will present the toast here which says successfully logged in. And here is the dashboard. That has presented all the products. There are total number of 10 products here, each with their name and each with their price. And this is the main dashboard. To access this dashboard, a user must log in from outside the main landing page. And furthermore, there I have added the validations in the logout, in this login page. If there is incorrect password, let's see, let's input anything that is not correct password, and let's log in. And it shows the toast either username or password is incorrect, so that means the login form is validated. And about that, now we are putting the right password, and here we log in. As you can see, it's already logged in successfully, and the toast is also shown. And this is the dashboard. And to add more items, we have to click on this button. This is the button where we can access to the add item form, like this. First let's click this one, and we have login form here. And to add this, let's try adding anything. For that we have already placed our images inside the drawable. drawable, and here are the list of photos that we have placed. And after putting the list and clicking in the add item, like if we place on the shirt that we have already placed and the prices, and enter the item username like that. If after putting that, it can be seen in the dashboard. For example, if I put, let's put my shirt, the shirt, and let's set the price is to 500. And for that we have to choose the image name, that is from here. And for that I'm going to choose my shirt. This should come at the end of the dashboard. And let's put some description over here. Let's write branded shirt, and after we click this, it redirects me back to the dashboard like this one, and it will pop out toast as well. As you can see there, as you can see, the shirt has already been added, and to verify it we had put 500 on it, now which is why it is shown here. And that is all we have for that. And how about checking the full description of this products? Let's go and click in it. Let's click in the jacket. Okay, let's click in this jacket, and as you can see, this dashboard is shown in a grid way. There are two column and as many as rows that can be added. And let's click on the jacket so that it forwards us to the description page. Here we are. As you can see, the image is shown in the full scale, and the product name is shown along with this cost, and premium jacket for the term, that is the description. And now let's go back and see our projects. Let's check another one, the item that we had recently added. And if we press here, we can see the toast, and the full description of our product will be shown here. Let's go back. And let's go back to there is a scrolling also here, and let's get back to our login page as well. And let's clear this and run this program again to see how things are working here. As you can see, the page is already open, and here I entered my user credentials AVD12 as previously. And after I clicked in the login, it shows the products, and we can see that last time we added the shirt at the end with the cost of 500, as you can see here. And about the adding items, we can add many items as we can. Just we have to make sure that the image name should match with image name in the actual field should match here in the image name. Let's add another item. For that we add my pant, that image with the name my pant. And for that we should put pant and 3D. Okay, 3D, and let's add its price. Okay, we set the price to 1500, and we have to put it in, we have to place the same name as here. Let's try my pant, and let's give his description trial test pant, so that we can recognize this easily. Let's add it. It will redirect us to our previous page, and here we have pant 3D 1500 with the price of 1500. And for this technologies we have used many things here. Let's minimize it, and as you can see we have drawables. We have drawables where we had the photos has been added. There is a color combination for which this has been used for the designing. This tag, this is the tag that has been used in the designing, and we don't have to play anymore with the manifestation, because in main activity is the landing page. And we have 5 fragments here. We have 2 fragments here, and we have at least 5 activities, 1 2 3 4, and including this 5 we have that. And we have the adapters to connect between the view and the logic of the story. And that is all we have. And we have XML file, and here are the fragments and XML file. This is for the recycler view, and I have to show you this recycler. This is only possible after using the recycler view, because it get back after adding the file, it gets stored here. After registering, it gets stored here in data, inside data. And here is my folder where there will be 2 things. There are items.txt where data of product will be insert, and here is the user.xml where our credentials are stored. Here you can see ABD and 1 2, and here is the item that we have already placed. And this one is the last one that we had added. And so this is how my application has been completed. So this is it.